So that can be dependent on you. So that term, as you know, we are able to write the gender male and female. So both are divided in the same thing. The data that are divided, whether it is numbers, whether it is characters, so that is called data type. So it can be understood by itself by the Python. So Python can easily understand whatever data you are giving to the computers, whatever data that can be given to the computers, that will be understandable by the compiler, by the language translator, by itself. So here the question is that if you are storing the points, so that can be done by the programmer translator. So here the thing is that if you are storing 10, so see, again we are coming on our programs. So if we are storing 10 in a variable that is a, after that another variable we are taking 15. So we are allotting b. One allotment we are having with the name of b, that is holding the value that is 15. So 15 we are storing in 15 first value and second value. After that we are able to work here. One another allotment we are having with the name of c. So in that a plus b means this and this. It means 10 and 15. So value will be 15. So in next allotment with the name of c, you are storing 25. So here the question arises that there are two things in our starting of this video. As you know, one portion that is input, one portion is output. So here we are taking as an input. After that, this is called process, and at last we want to display the output. So by using print method, we are able to display the result. So that's why by using print method in Python, you can display the output. So here the value of c that will be displayed, it means 25 will be displayed. So this is the basic question of Python. In that we are taking the value, two values, and that value that should be added, and after that you are able to display the output is here. So students, you should keep in your minds that if you want to be a good programmer, you practice day by day. After that, if you are facing any problem, no need to worry. You ask the question, and I will tell the answer twice, thrice, or many times. Many more times I have to tell the answers. So different methods we have to utilize so that you are able to work, you are able to understand how our programming language that can be done. So here only we are giving you the example of input, process and output. input, process and output. In that, here, see, this is input and this is process and this will be output. The three examples of input, process and output, I think you are able to understand what is it. So with the help of programming language, each and everything I have to tell you that you can practice, you can utilize your own mind so that you can do more better in the comparison of 10th, because in the syllabus of 10th and 11th and 12th, there is a vast difference. So you should practice more and more. Okay, thank you.